We all know what this box is. I mean, be freaking for real, cousins. Hey girl, or boy, or a man, or a woman. If you're watching this video, y'all can't see my address. I don't know if you know me or not already, but if you don't, and this is your first time clicking on any of my videos, my name is Takara One, or you can call me Teeks. It is whichever one that you would prefer to call me. I'm a mom, an entrepreneur, and a fashion designer, and an influencer here on YouTube. And I'm starting my Dr. Sebi Alkaline plant-based diet journey. You heard me. The people have heard me. And I'm taking you guys on this journey with me because I have no clue what I'm doing, but I mean, why not document it, right? It's the best thing it's the best thing to do, because I have to hold myself accountable some type of way. So I have a little Dr. Sebi Alkaline plant-based Amazon grocery haul. Yeah. I already did one beginners like plant-based alkaline grocery haul, bringing you guys on my journey, like trying to find alkaline plant-based like things to kind of like transition into my journey. I already did a video on that and I posted it. So this is basically like a part 2 because there were some things that you just can't find in certain stores. You can't find in your local like Kroger's, Publix, Walmart, I mean Target. Y'all need to get it together, okay? Because the girl is... What about the little people? So I decided Amazon, Jeff Bezos wouldn't steer me wrong, okay? I mean, or would he? So yeah, I'm gonna go through and show y'all some of the things that I am adding to all the already stuff that I have. So that way by December the 1st, that way by January the 1st, your girl can get down with the get down, okay? Down with the, no? Alright, okay. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so the first thing I got was this coconut cream. This is for like pasta and stuff like that. Now I was gonna get coconut milk, but the girl was using cream in her recipes because I told y'all in my last video I bought an ebook, like an alkaline plant-based like diet ebook, so that way I can kind of like follow and like try new recipes because I literally have no clue what I'm doing. So yeah, in the book she said she uses coconut cream for like pastas and stuff like that. So I did get this and she said she uses the Arroyo D kind, so she influenced me to buy that kind. So that is what I got, and this came in a pack of 6 and these are 8-point fluid ounces. So I'll be using this to add to my my pastas, okay? Because it's gonna be a whole lot of pasta eating over this one. Alright, so next, let's see what we got in here. Next, I ordered some wild rice because I'm a wild bag. It's rice falling out of the bag. Hold up. Maybe that's why they got it in the little thing. I hope it's not open. Oh, my daughter is in the, okay. Yeah. Hey, you need to sit down. Her hair is not done. Please don't judge me. Sit. Andale, 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 sit, sit. Andale, andale, sit. This is not your show. This is mommy's show. Go sit down, my girl. This is not your time to shine right now. This is mommy's time. Hey. Yeah, I don't know why the rice is falling out of the bag. Amazon, I need answers. Okay. So yeah, it's open. Okay. Yeah, I'm very disappointed. Now that's gonna make me not want to eat this because it's open and it has, oh, I'm giving a bad review. I'm giving a bad review. They gave me wild rice open, okay. But anyways, yeah, it's the Minnesota grown, not the little one, the grown wild rice. So wild rice is really good for you. It's the best rice if you're gonna eat rice. Wild rice, okay? If you're gonna do rice, you need to go all the way and get a little wild with it. All right. Next in the bag we have our ancient wheat variety commute penne 100% organic pasta. So I ended up getting this. I believe I have 2 boxes of this. And then again, this one came kind of open. Like, what is it with Amazon and are the employees eating out of the boxes before they ship them out? Like, I'm confused. But this one, it wasn't like open, but this little box was kind of messed up. So, but this is by the brand Mono Grano Feliciate. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm gonna link everything down below. So if y'all want to know where y'all can get my Amazon alkaline grocery list, I'm gonna link some stuff in my Amazon storefront. Did y'all know I had an Amazon storefront? Let's keep going, shall we? I had already opened up some stuff, so I just put it in the Thanksgiving pan because I didn't know what else to do. Okay, so next we have the spelt flour. This is by the Grand. It is a grand. It's a grand old jolly old time. This is by the brand 1 Degree Organic Foods. So this is gonna be good. This is like, I bought other flours as y'all can see in the other haul, but this is like the #1. But this is that girl basically. She's that girl. So she's gonna be getting used for like I'm sorry, I gotta use you like that, baby girl. But she's gonna be getting used for a lot of the recipes, pancakes. You know, when I need to like fry my mushrooms to do like that mock chicken ordeal. I need to close this. It's really dark in the back. I hope that's not creeping y'all out. So yeah, she's gonna be getting used for a lot of things. Are you okay? So she was like one of the #1 flours, like basically like all-purpose flour, but it's spelt flour. So I got that. Next we have the original Honey Smacks. Okay, so I needed some type of like breakfast food to like transition out. I don't really eat cereal like that anymore, but I wanted to find something that I can transition into my diet that's easy for me to make in the morning when it's not, I don't want to just always be making smoothies and you know, avocado toast and all of that stuff. So I wanted to find something that I can kind of incorporate with my fruits. So this is basically Honey Smacks. What you can do is like add some cinnamon, which you want to use the Ceylon cinnamon. So I did get this off Amazon. This is the Simply Organics. You can add cinnamon, you can add some of your agave, you can also add some date syrup if you would like. So I ended up getting this date syrup by Date Lady. This is like one of the top ones, and it's a gluten-free vegan syrup. So I am going to try this. I do have some dates in there as well, but this is good. This is really good to put in just a lot of different recipes and different things for like I said, your breakfasts, anything like sweet, if you're like baking or like cookies and stuff. So that is what I'm using for that, because dates are like basically like big raisins. So just think of a date as like a big raisin. So that's what this is. And then you can just take your syrup. You could take your cereal and add like strawberries, any type of fruit that you want. And you can use your walnut milk, which I also got. And there you go. You got you a simple little breakfast for the morning time. So that is what I got those for. And then I'm not particularly sure. I seen a recipe that was in the ebook that I wanted to try, and she said get ground annatto. So they ended up sending me 2. I think I accidentally ordered 2, but it looks kind of like a, I guess this is like for like meats and vegetables. It says used for rice, vegetables, meats, and fish. It's like a Caribbean type seasoning. So I'm assuming that this is spicy. So we'll see. We will see. So I got this as well. Sister girl was not playing, okay? They said, put it in a big box, why don't ya? Okay. So next, I knew this what it was, but did they have to, this is doing the most. This is doing, don't y'all hate when brands or companies do the most? Anyways, y'all probably like, girl, what you gonna do with a... No, just playing. I got this rolling pin, so I actually have to go back and get a rolling like mat. But I got one of these because I asked my mom. I was like, you don't have a rolling pin, do you? And she was like, why would I have a rolling pin? My mom is just not, she's not somebody who like cooks and stuff. She's just not, that's just not her thing. So this is for rolling out pastries and pizza dough, and you guys know what a roller. This is like good for baking, but like I said, my main character here, I'm gonna be using her a lot, and to make like taco shells, I need to have like something where I can like roll out the dough. Where's the dough? Where's the dough? So I ended up getting this, so I'm gonna have to go back and get a mat so things don't get, you know how sticky it gets. You know how sticky it gets. Okay? So things don't get too sticky. But anyways, I got the rolling mat. I mean the wood rolling pin, which was like $12, which is like this is like a really good. You know how sticky it gets. Hey, you know how sticky it gets. Hey. She never know. We're not done yet. So I got another box. And y'all, I feel like you're not really like a true cook. Like, you really not that girl. You're not that girl. You're really not that girl. Like, you really can't cook for real. You really not that girl until you get you a cast iron skillet, okay? Like, can you really cook if you don't own a cast iron skillet for real? Like, be freaking for real. Fellas, next time, don't even ask her if she can cook. Ask her, do she own a cast iron skillet? And if she don't own a cast iron skillet, then there's your answer. No, I just play, but I really do feel like to really up your culinary skills, to up your cooking game, you really need to have you a cast iron skillet. Now, what does that say about me? Because I'm just not getting one. It probably says a lot. But your girl is in the crew. I'm in the crew now. I'm one of those. So don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby. Don't play with it. Number I'm super excited about. Oh, and it's pre-seasoned. Now, I was kind of like skeptical to buy. So look at me acting like I really know the cast iron skillet game. Like, what? I was really skeptical to buy a cast iron skillet off Amazon. I feel like they say the best places to buy cast iron skillets are like at looking for them at like old garage sales or estate sales or like Goodwills and stuff like that. Vintage shops, like, because you know, like, they're like good, they're the real deal. I would give Amazon a try. I read some reviews on this one. I didn't realize that this one was already pre-seasoned. Now I might go and season it a little bit more. If you don't know what seasoning your skillet means, it basically means like prepping it. Seasoning is just when you put the oil, you bake the oil onto the cast iron through a process called polymerization. And it basically just gives your cookware that like classic black patina that you see on the cast iron skillet. So seasoning basically just forms like that natural cooking form and that easy peasy releasing cooking surface. This basically just like helps your pan from like rusting, getting out rusty, dusty, crusty, busted, disgusted, and can't be trusted. Okay, but if you do it right, if you season it just the right amount and you take care of it, then your skillet will last for like generations to come. Like, it'll last for a long time if you take care of it. So just season it right and things like that. You can put a little bit of oil on it. You might have to do it a few times. I might even do mine again, even though it's pre-seasoned. I might just do it again, like put the oil on it and put it in the oven, just so it can be seasoned up a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? So I'm super excited to use this. And when you are going to be going on your alkaline based journey, you're going to be using this a lot because it's always said to use cast iron skillets. You're also going to want to invest and use some great like non-aluminum pots and pans when it comes to getting on your alkaline based diet. And then I have my last thing that my mom actually got me is like an off-brand oyster, basically like blend jets. I don't know if y'all ever heard of blend jets, but this was basically just like a personal blender, and she didn't get this off Amazon, but I'm gonna try to find it. I'm pretty sure it's on there. But it's just like basically like a grab and go blender, and I can take it anywhere with me, like a portable blender basically. I'm excited about this because I can blend and go. I can take this with me and be blending, okay? So I can take this with me in the car. I can take this to the movie theater. But yeah, I can take this with me on the go and do my juices and my smoothies and my shakes, and I will be all good to go. So I'm super excited about this. And my mama and them knew to get me this for Christmas because I was talking all about changing my diet, and that's like been my #1 focus. So yeah, y'all, that basically concludes my Dr. Sebi's Alkaline plant-based Amazon grocery haul. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it, and hopefully you got some inspiration to start your plant-based diet or vegan or whatever diet that you're trying to go on for the new year. Hopefully this video inspired you a little bit to start your journey and start kind of transitioning some things out of your pantries and your refrigerators and things to just, you know, try something new. I will keep you guys updated on my journey. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me. If you guys want to see me do recipes, see me try out different things, see me mess up some of my recipes that I try out. If you guys want to see more content like that, definitely make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so that way you don't miss out on that type of content, and share this video because I'm pretty sure one of your aunties can use it, okay? Anyways, I love you guys, and until next time, I will see you at the top. Deuces.